Hello guys, Monica here with a new video. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you all so much for coming to my channel. For those of you that have been here before and that are subscribed, thank you so much. For those of you that maybe this is your first time stopping by or you are returning but you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. So, wanted to chat with you guys real quick about my new bag, and yeah. So, I received this item from Coach. And it came in this huge box. And yeah, let's just get right into it. As you all know, for those of you that have been following my channel, I do have the Kisslock in the black, which is right here. I got her when she got released back in February 27th. It was shipped to me by my SA, and I received it on the following day, the 28th. So I love her. I've been using her and abusing her. Great bag. I'm obsessed with her. Get a lot of compliments and have used her for all kinds of things. And I'm just really glad that I have her. So she needed a sister, and here she is. So let's get right into it. This is my receipt, by the way, and it came in this humongous cardboard box. I got rid of all that because nobody has time for that, right? But here we go. Originally, upon first release, I was offered, they had the 3 colors, so I was kind of offered, and I just decided, I knew I wanted the black one. I mean, to me, the black and gold is just classy, right? So I knew I wanted the black one. I considered getting the pink one back then, but I was just like, that's a little bit too much. 2 of those bags at the same time. I don't know. Let me, get this one. That's the one I wanted, and I know that I'm gonna love her and everything. And maybe later, maybe if I'm like really happy with the bag, maybe I'll get one of the other colors. Plus, I also wanted to see if they're gonna release different colors and the ones that we've seen. My understanding is there is going to be other colors in the fall. It is such a pretty bag, but let's open it. And it's kind of like this. And you can probably see from the shade of the bag, of the dust bag, the color. Let me put this box down. Let's open her up. And yeah, so here's the Kisslock, and I believe it's called Rose, the color. And I'm sure you're all familiar with this bag. This was on the runway show in the fall. They got released late February, and recently they had another launch. So I went ahead and picked this one up because I'm so happy with the other one. I was hoping that different colors came out, but I knew that the colors are really other colors are gonna come out in the fall release. So yeah, so here she is in all her glory. How pretty is she? Such a cute color. Look at that. And as you all know, it's the genuine glove tan leather, so it's a little bit more stiff. That's what she said. And I'm sure you're all familiar with these little rings here. They're attached to like this little piece of leather. And I don't know if it's my imagination, guys, but this looks to me a little bit sturdier than my other bag. I don't know, maybe. Okay, I think I know what it is. Maybe because it's leather, to be pink, it needs to be dyed, right? So it's a little bit stiffer. This one is like a little bit softer, if that makes any sense. But I'm sure it has to do with the color, the dye that needs to be put on the bag, right? So let's open her up, and she's fully stuffed with all the packaging. And here is her strap. As you all know, it does come with a little strap. It's like a shoulder strap. I'm obsessed with this bag. I'll insert videos below of one video when I got this bag and I unboxed it, to a review that I did on that bag, if you all want to watch. And yeah, let's take all this stuffing out. She's so pretty. I mean, okay, I'm trying to be like cool about it, but she's beyond pretty. She's actually pretty stunning. Such a pretty pink too. I'm trying to stay away from pink bags because I feel like I have too many of them. Wow, it's like the bottomless pit. As you all know, this bag is just one big open space. Look at that. It's got the pocket, as you all know, and it's got the creed right here. And when I revealed that one, I didn't know that the Kisslocks had this pull tab on the zipper pull that is like it's a chain. But I did a little bit of research after that, and then I found out that that's how the Kisslocks come with their zipper pulls. So yeah, we got all this stuff, and we got this little whatever baggies put in here. Oh. The smell. Oh my goodness. I can't ever get over that smell. It's got the little, it comes with 2 tags. It's got the Coach tag, and it's got the Coach that says Kisslock frame bag, limited re-edition 1969. So yes, it still has the price attached. Well, the price has been removed, but you know how Coach does that. Why do they do that? Why do they remove the price part of the tag? It's very strange. But stitching all along the side here, impeccable. OMG, guys, what? Why is she so stunning? Oh, I have come across some videos or some shorts, or probably even some TikToks that some of the ladies and gentlemen that got this Kisslock during this second launch had issues with their packaging and whatnot. As you can all see, I had no issues with mine. I know somebody, their bag arrived opens on one side. Somebody else, I think it was Minnie, hers was like rubbing up against the cardboard box, like it wasn't in packaging, and it was like in a gift wrap packaging, and it was just rubbing, like this right here was rubbing up against the cardboard box, and it peeled the coloring like on the gold here, the brass hardware or something. And I tell you, that's kind of terrible that they would do that. I don't know. I don't know, you know, if it's a packaging people or a Coach, you know, I haven't had any issues, even when something doesn't come on Coach gift wrap, but it comes like in its dust bag, very well tied up. So I really don't have any complaints in that department. But yeah, so this is gonna be a quick and short one because I just wanted to show you all that she now has a sister. I can't wait to use her. I am gonna accessorize her with some cute things. And okay, let me show you this. Look at my bear. Oh my goodness, he's probably gonna be on here, but there's a story behind him, and he's kind of retired. So he's not really supposed to leave the house. But maybe I'll bring him out for a couple of days. What do you all think? So I just wanted to show you all this. Very happy with the Kisslocks. In my review video that I did of this one, I mentioned that, you know, there was a lot of questions at the time, if it was a practical bag, and if you fit a laptop, and if you fit this. And, you know, my take on it is that it's not meant to be practical. It's not meant to be a workhorse. As big as it is and as much crap as you can put in it, it's not meant to be overloaded. And again, that is just my opinion. It is a novelty item. I mean, it is usable, but just I don't recommend overstuffing it. I don't recommend putting everything in the kitchen sink in it. Yes, you can fit it, but you don't want to put a lot of weight on this bag. It's just not what it's meant for. I personally prefer to carry her like this. I mean, that's usually how I've been carrying my other one. It's just something cool about it, and it's just something chill about it. And at the same time, it's kind of like a, I don't know, it's like a cool vibe, kind of like very almost sophisticated. At least that's the feeling I get. And so yeah, so the Kisslock bags, they are everything. They are humongous, as you can all see, but they are just, you know, this is not an everyday thing. It is not an everyday thing. I mean, it's just not. But they are gorgeous, and they photograph great, and I've used mine from going to a street event where they had like vendors selling things, handmade craftings, to just running to the grocery store, to going out shopping, to going out to dinner. I mean, I even took her to the office. So, I mean, you know, she's versatile, but again, just be careful with how much stuff you put in it. I'm not gonna baby it, just like I haven't babied that one. You know, I expect it to do what it's gonna do. Of course, I'm not gonna abuse it. I don't put her on the ground. You know, I try to be careful. Like if I'm drinking something or whatever, I would never put a drink or a water bottle, even if it's sealed, in these bags. That's just me. But they're pretty awesome. They're pretty awesome. They're pretty stunning. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you got any of these Kisslock bags. Let me know if you want to see how I accessorize the bag. I can do a video on that, and any other questions that you might have. So thank you so much for coming to my channel, for stopping by. Like, share, comment. Don't forget to ring the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.